Welcome to this multimedia training video on the Polycom Soundpoint IP650. The purpose of this video is to provide you with a general understanding of your new phone and to demonstrate some of its key features and functions. For a complete guide to the Soundpoint IP650, please review the user guide that was delivered by your service provider. Let's begin with a general overview of the phone. The backlit display contains your line information, which is usually your 10-digit phone number or 4-digit extension. A main status area that displays phone and call information, and dynamic soft keys for call control and feature access. The soft key buttons will change depending on the status of your phone, for example, whether on or off hook, and can be activated by pushing the corresponding hard key located below it. To the left of the display are 6 line key buttons that can be used to go off hook and initiate a call, select a particular line appearance, and speed dial contacts from your phone's directory. Based on the type of service you have, you may see more than one number appear on your phone, particularly if you are monitoring another line within your company. Below the line keys are features and call control buttons. Directories can be used to access and input contacts, in addition to retrieving call history. The conference, transfer, redial, and hold buttons will be covered later in this training video. To the right of the display is the navigation pad that can be used to navigate through current calls, call histories, and contact directories. Below the navigation pad is the menu hard key, which is used to access and configure basic phone settings, the messages hard key for quick and easy access to voicemail, and the do not disturb feature key. There are also 3 light-enabled buttons to show when mute, speakerphone, and headset are active. There is also a message waiting indicator light located in the upper right-hand corner that illuminates when you have new voicemail messages. The first feature of the phone we are going to cover is directories. Pressing on the directory button will bring up its menu with 2 options: contacts and call lists. Let's start with the contact directory. There are several different ways to select a menu item. You can press the number that corresponds to the item using the dial pad, or you can select the item you want using the navigation pad up and down arrow keys, and then use either the check button or the select soft key. Once you have selected the option, you will be taken to the main contact directory screen. Any contacts already entered in the phone will be displayed in the main viewing area, and you will also see the Add and Edit soft keys. To add a contact, press Add. Enter first and/or last name of the contact from the keypad. You can use the 1 alpha soft key to select between numeric and upper lowercase alphanumeric modes. Then enter in a contact number. This is a required field and it must be unique, meaning not already entered in the directory. Then you can change the speed dial index if desired. If not, it will automatically be assigned the next available index value. Then press the Save or Cancel keys to accept or cancel changes. Press Directories or the Exit soft key repeatedly to return to the main screen. The other directory menu item is call lists, where up to the last 100 missed, received, and placed calls is maintained by the phone. Selecting item 2 will present the options for missed, received, and placed calls. We will look at the missed calls list. The following soft key options will be presented. Select the dial soft key to return the call. Select the edit soft key to edit the dial string if necessary. Select the exit soft key to return to the previous menu. To scroll through the list, use the navigation pad up or down arrow keys. For additional choices, press the More soft key. The Clear soft key will delete the call from the list, while the Save soft key will store the contact to your contact directory. The Info soft key will allow you to view information about the call, such as timestamp and date. Press the More and Exit soft keys repeatedly to return to the idle display. You can place a call several different ways using your Soundpoint IP650 telephone. The handset, with speakerphone, or by using an approved headset. To use the handset, simply lift the receiver and dial the call. To use speakerphone, press the speakerphone button, enter in the telephone number, and then press the send key. Placing a call with the headset is done in the same way, except you will choose the headset button. When you are not in another call, you can answer a call in 3 basic ways. Using the handset by picking up the receiver, using the speakerphone by pressing either the Answer soft key or the speakerphone button, or by using the headset, selecting the headset button. If you are busy on an active call and a second incoming call arrives on the same phone number, the second call will cause a call waiting tone to be played, the second line indicator status button will flash, and an incoming call icon appears. Caller information for the incoming call appears on the graphic display. To answer the second call, you can either press the Hold soft key or hard key, which will place your initial caller on hold and allow you to answer the second call by selecting it with the down arrow on your navigation pad. Once you have finished talking to the second caller, you can then press the Resume key to be taken back to your initial phone call. There are 2 basic types of call transfer: consultative and blind. Consultative transfer allows you to speak with the party to whom you wish to transfer the call to in order to determine if they are available and willing to accept the call. Blind transfer automatically executes the transfer immediately after you dial the party's number. To initiate a consultative transfer from an active call, begin by pressing either the Transfer button or the Transfer soft key. The initial party is placed on hold, and you are prompted to enter in the transfer number. With the number entered, press the Send soft key. As soon as the ringback sound is heard, or after the party answers the phone, you can press the Transfer button or soft key again to complete the transfer. You can talk privately to the party to which you are transferring the call before the transfer is completed. If you are using a handset, the transfer can be completed by putting the handset on the cradle. You can also cancel the transfer before the call connects by pressing the Cancel soft key. Once complete, your call status window will clear. To initiate a blind transfer from an active call, begin by pressing either the transfer button or transfer soft key. The initial party is automatically placed on hold, and you can now select the blind soft key. Once the transfer party's number has been entered and you press send, the call status window will clear and the transfer is complete. The conference feature allows you to conference in a third party to an existing conversation. To initiate a conference call from an active conversation, begin by pressing either the conference button or soft key. Your initial call will automatically be placed on hold, and you are prompted to enter in the third party's number. Enter in the number and press send. As soon as the ringback sound is heard, or after the party answers the phone, you can press the conference button or soft key to join the parties. You will now see Active Conference displayed in the call status window. To perform additional call control features, like transferring one of the parties or adding another party, press the split soft key. This will automatically place both parties on hold and allow you to execute call control using the soft key buttons. To activate call forwarding options directly from your Soundpoint IP650, press the forward soft key or press the menu button, select Features, then Forward. 3 different types of call forwarding are available on your phone. Call Forward Always will forward all calls to a selected telephone number or extension. Simply enter in the contact number and choose Enable. Call Forward No Answer will forward calls only if you have not answered your phone within a specified number of rings. Enter in the contact number, specify the number of rings, and then press Enable. The Call Forward Busy option will only forward your calls if you are in an active call. Again, just enter in the contact number and select Enable. When any of the call forward options are active, the forward icon will be displayed next to your line appearance. Please note that if any of the call forward options are enabled on the phone, they can only be disabled locally on the phone. The Do Not Disturb feature of the phone will send all calls directly to your voicemail box if activated. To activate, press the Do Not Disturb button, or again, press Menu, select Features, then Do Not Disturb. With Do Not Disturb active, you will see an icon notification displayed in your call status window. And again, just like your call forwarding options, if they are enabled on the phone, they can only be disabled locally on the phone.